Shorter team, my name is Ben. Diabetes mellitus, either no insulin, type 1, or our body stops responding to insulin, type 2. If this happens, then we get our 3 Ps of diabetes mellitus. When we're thinking of the symptoms of diabetes mellitus, if our blood sugars increase, then we get polyuria. So poly, like Polynesia, there are many islands in Polynesia. So poly means many. Uria, urine. First symptom, lots of urine. Next one, if our blood sugar is high and our pancreas and insulin isn't sorting it out, then the kidneys say, hold my beer and I'll sort it out. So they filter all the glucose out, which means polyuria, but with osmosis, fluid follows solute. So if glucose is going out, then through osmosis, fluid also goes out. So therefore, we're going to be peeing too much and we're going to get dehydrated. So therefore, we're going to get polydipsia, increased thirst. So when we think of polydipsia, we think D for dipsia, D for drink. Heaps of thirst. And then finally, we get polyphagia. Phagia means to eat or gobble up. Our phagocytes are the cells in our body that gobble up dead tissue or gobble up a pathogen. So polyphagia is lots of hunger. So the reason this happens is one of the mechanisms to switch off our hunger signals is if there's enough glucose going into the hypothalamus, it says, well, if there's lots of glucose, I'm going to trigger my satiety signals, so stop hunger. But the problem, if we have a lack of insulin or we're insulin resistant, means even though the blood glucose is high, the insulin won't let these cells register glucose. So our hypothalamus doesn't send off those satiety signals and it keeps saying hunger, hunger, hunger. Okay, so those are 3 Ps of diabetes mellitus. Happy studying.